But if y'all haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and give this video a big thumbs up if you like what you see. So right now, we can get right into it. Let's do this. Boom! Okay, my ingredients is bell peppers and onions. I have my Velveeta cheese right here. I had some this was a rotisserie chicken. All I did was buy it from Walmart and then just shaved it all up. You can do that, or you can boil your chicken, however you want to do it. I have some heavy whipping cream. I got some sour cream. I also have some chicken broth. My seasonings that I'm gonna mix it with is bell pepper, some all-purpose seasoning. It's the purpose seasoning. I love this. I got this from Walmart. I've been using it ever since. I love this. You're gonna need some taco seasoning. You'll also need some Rotel. Any choice you grind, I choose original because I have kids eating this. I have the self-resting corn. This mug is bomb. You're gonna love it. And I got my black beans. So let's go ahead and get into it. We're gonna do it all in this crock pot. And y'all see this crock pot right here? What is that, y'all? What is that? Y'all already know? We D-Town, baby! Cowboy Nation! But now, let's go ahead and rip all my greens up in the crock pot. Let's do this. First, I'm gonna put my bell peppers and my onions inside the crock pot. And then actually, we really just dumping everything in the crock pot. Put that first. Then I'm gonna put my chicken, put my black beans inside. You just need a whole can of black beans. One whole can. You need a whole can of self-resting corn. Whole can. You need a can of Rotel. Just dump all that in there. You need 1 cup of whole whipping cream. 1 cup of whole whipping cream. All you had to do is just go to the store and buy an ounce like this. I went to Winco. Pour that in there. Sick pads. You need 1.5 cup of chicken broth. That's about right. You need 1/3 cup of sour cream. 1/3 cup. That's like 2 scoops. No, yeah, that's good enough. Gonna add your taco seasoning. Any kind of your choice. It don't matter. Some people like hot, but I got kids in this, so we're gonna have to stick with the original. Give it a stir, because now I gotta get ready to add my cheese. Look good, right, y'all? Not for real, that look good. Get this a stir. Now I'm gonna add my Velveeta cheese. I already cut it into blocks so it can melt faster. That's down there. It does.
I'm sorry, but that don't sound too good.
Now I'm gonna add a little seasoning. I'm gonna put the all-purpose seasoning in there to give it a little flavor. I don't know how much I'm putting, so don't put however much you want. It's your food. I don't know your taste buds, but I do know mine. Black pepper and some all-purpose seasoning salt. Put that in there, give it another stir. And then what we're gonna do is let this sit for 2 hours and it will be done. But if you cook it on low, it might take 6 to 7 hours to cook. Cause you gotta wait till your cheese to melt. So now I'm finished stirring all this in. Gonna put my top on them. So we gonna I got mine on high. So I'm gonna cook it for 2 hours. And then when it's done, I'll be right back. Y'all be back. It's been 2 hours, so let's take a look at my dip.
Voila!
This how it look, y'all. Southwest chicken cheesy dip. Don't that look awesome? But I already did a presentation. I already made me a presentation to the side. Hold on. It's okay, my family about to eat that anyway. I already got mine to the side though. Here it is. My little presentation. Okay. Now I'm gonna give this a try, let y'all know what I think. I think, low key, I got a chip that's kind of broke. Hold on, I want one of these bell peppers. There we go. I did that! That's... I did that. Now you want to dance on them. Ooh. Y'all gotta try this Southwest chicken cheese dip. Them mug is good. I taste all the bell peppers and onions that I put in there with my little season. The perfect seasoning, that is. That I got from Walmart. Love this dip. Y'all gotta give this a try. But if y'all like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Like I said again, what's before in the beginning, if y'all haven't subscribed to my channel, please give me hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, give it a ding when my next video come up. And I'm gonna be like, welcome to my tribe, y'all. Oh, and by the way, when I get to 500 subscribers, I will be doing a giveaway. Thank you. Come back. Peace.